Hey guys, listen up. I want to share something with you. How you can start your own Amazon FBA business 100% risk-free. Hi, my name is Steve Robinson and I'm a 37-year-old father from Beaufort, South Carolina. I have built a profitable online business without losing any money or spending a lot of time, like a lot of other people do. I was able to build my business on Amazon while working a full-time insurance job. And in 2017, I said goodbye to that job forever. I was able to change my life, and I'm so thankful I found the information, and that's what I'm going to share with you today. I want to help people break out the same vicious cycle that I was in, spending years in my job, fearing the livelihood is in someone else's hands, answering to a boss, or always having to say no to my family because of money. I created this video and videos like this one in hopes of helping other people make a clear decision to change their lives as well. I'm going to show you exactly how you can start your online business virtually risk-free. If you're over 30, then you know that it's your time to change your life because time is running out quickly. You need to make something happen and make something happen soon. I would like to introduce to you Amazing Selling Machine. SM. If you haven't heard of it before, it's literally a step-by-step blueprint to scaling your Amazon FBA business to 7 figures. It takes the hard work and uncertainty out of starting your own e-commerce store. ASM was the best investment in my life that I've ever made. Don't just take my word for it. ASM has changed the lives of thousands of people all over the world by being the pathway to help them to achieve financial freedom. Read what they have to say. So many regular people just like you are creating their dreams life with ASM. Click on the link description box to hear the video testimonies. Bottom line, try ASM programs for 30 days risk-free and judge for yourself. Risk-free meaning free from danger of losing any of your hard-working money. With their unconditional 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee, you have the opportunity to explore and experience all that ASM has to offer completely risk-free. Just let them know, and they will issue you a full refund of any payments that you have made for ASM. But wait, there's more. ASM is so confident that the program will bring you success that you're looking for. They are going to give you until December 31st, 2020 to follow the ASM training program, to launch your product, to build your brand. If you launch your new Amazon product and execute the marketing strategies taught inside of ASM by December 31st, 2020, you will be eligible for full reimbursement of your ASM payments plus up to $5,000 in any unsold inventory. Guys, this is a no-brainer. This is the chance that you have been looking for. You have 6 months. They're going to give you 6 months to start your online business and build your own brand. Learn from the masters on their dime. It's time to transform your life. Hurry, the opportunity to join ASM 12 ends on Monday, June 22nd. Join ASM 12 now and become financially free forever. Thanks for watching.